Hello, welcome to the first day of Dikh He Na Bister. The classrooms are already packed with participants taking part in workshops, learning about everything from politics to Roma and traveller history, about the Roma Genocide during the Holocaust, and I do believe they're about to go on coffee break, so we will go and speak to a few of them. Is it okay if I speak with you guys? What is your name and where are you from?
Halil Ibrahim Nurbel from Turkey.
And is this your first time at Dikh He Na Bister?
Yes, first time.
And what are you doing here this year?
I came here to learn about more Roma history and to see Auschwitz and what happened in the past Auschwitz. And I want to talk with the survivor and to learn their experience, to not forget.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the week.
I want to sing a song.
Okay.
Okay.
Jalem, jalem.
No, Jalam Jalam. This is traditional.
Okay.
You want me to sing Jalam Jalam?
Sing if you want. Anyone you want.
Anyone I want? Okay.
Jalem, jalem.
I know different.
Okay.
Little Chavensa. Yoy, Hiromalı. Jalam Jalam, Baktalı Romensa. I don't want this one, but it's a good song, okay.
What is your name and where do you come from?
I'm Leon. I live in Scotland, but originally I'm from Czech Republic. Yeah.
How long have you lived in Scotland?
15 years.
Do you know any Scottish travellers or British Romani?
I do know Scottish travellers and British Gypsy people because I work along with with an organisation called Romano and do work in touch with.
So is this your first time at Dikh He Na Bister?
This is my first time in Dikh He Na Bister and I'm very enjoying this company, lovely people around here and possibly getting more contacts and meeting new people at the same time. So yeah.
Well, that's great to hear. So this is your first time at Dikh He Na Bister. What are you expecting from this week? What are you expecting to gain and learn?
Well, I want to learn more history about Roma people because I'm not educated about history of Roma people. I want to know more about Auschwitz, and meet new people and just have new contacts because there's so many people from universities, people who are activists, people who do stuff for Roma people, for Gypsy people. So yeah, future contacts.
Very good. Thank you very much. It was nice talking to you.
No problem.
Have a good week.